Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Linley and today I will be unboxing something for Mother's Day. Yeah, it's from KORS, but it looks like they're using Amazon shipping. Yeah, and this was delivered by our mailman today. Alright, let's unbox it now. Can you guess what it is? It's not a purse. Here it is. It's a nice box. All right. Well, I don't normally get shoes online because of my past experience. I got KORS boots online and it hurts. So I ended up just using it around the house when taking pictures, but that's about it. But this one, I already have the same type of shoes from KORS. It's the purple one, purple with like white, like this. It's just this type of shoes that is size 7 and I really like it, so that's why I just bought one because they don't have it in a store. So yeah, looks nice, isn't it? I think it's really cool because I am short. I'm only 5'1", and this will add a few inches to my height. Yay! Okay. So I'm gonna try them on. I hope it's the same fit as my other shoes. Okay, I'm gonna try them on. Yay! Well, they fit and they feel comfy. So I'm just gonna take a video somewhere here so you can see how it looks like on me. I like them, yay! Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!